This is part B of problem 1 of the Basics of Information tutorial problem section. The problem is called Measuring Information. So, if we're given a deck of 52 cards, standard playing cards, and you turn them over one by one, so you're just looking at them one at a time, but you remember the ones you've already seen, then how many bits of information, how much info do you get each time? So remember, once again, we'll call n the number of possibilities that we had before receiving new information. And then m is the number of possible outcomes or things that are still unknown after you have received the information, which narrows it down from n to m things. So we get log base 2 of n over m bits of information. So let's figure out what n and m are and plug in some numbers for turning over these cards. So for the first card, what we have is n, our original number of possible outcomes, is just going to be 52, right? Randomly shuffled deck, we could be any of the 52 cards. After we turn the card over, the number of possible values for that card is 1, because we looked at it, we know what it is. So once again, there's only one possible value for the card after you've looked at it. So we're going to expect m to be 1 for all these, right? Because we're looking at one card at a time. Anyway, the first case, we plug it in, we get log base 2 of n over m, which is 52 over 1. So log base 2 of 51 for the first card. For the second card, right, it's just going to be 51 cards left because we've already looked at the first card, so we know what that one is. 51 unknowns, and again, we look at the card, so after we look at the card, there's only one possible thing it is. So now we're left with log base 2 of 51 over 1 when we plug in n and m. The last card's a little different. For the last card, we have n is equal to 1 because there's only one card left, but just like the other cases, m is still equal to 1. So this gives us log base 2 of 1 over 1, which evaluates to 0. And that makes sense because you didn't receive any new information when you flipped the new card over because you'd already seen the other 51, so process of elimination says you knew what it was.